Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can pair Xiaomi Buds 3T Pro with any Android device. So in this case I'm using Android phone, and first of all you have to input both earbuds inside this charging case, and then you have to find this button. It's located right here next to the charging port, and you have to click and hold it until this indicator on the front starts blinking. And now release the button. As you can see, it's blinking right now. You have to keep that case open, put it close to your device. Next you have to turn on the Bluetooth and then enter for the Bluetooth settings. As you can see, I was previously connected, so I'm gonna quickly get rid of that. And normally we have to click to pair new device and take a look for available devices list. We can find our Xiaomi Buds. So click on them once, accept pairing request. And right now I can recommend you to go for the Play Store and get the earbuds application. So click here and type Xiaomi earbuds. Let's get this one. And when we get this application, we'll unlock more features, like for example, we'll be able to adjust sound equalizer. So let's open it right now, accept both permissions. We have to select our region from the list and then click next. We can update firmware, but we can do this later. Accept all permissions. And as you can see, when you previously add them by standard Bluetooth settings, we will be connected right here. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.